Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here, and in this video today guys, I'll just be sharing with you how I created this beautiful tic-tac-toe or noughts and crosses as you might call it. This box can be used as a decorative piece, or you can also play it with friends and family. It is beautiful, and I'll just go ahead and share with you the things that I'm using today. I'll be using this curtain tie back that you see here. I'll be using some mirrored squares and my hot glue gun as usual, a foam board and some gems. And guys, those are pretty much the basic items that I'm using today. I'm just now going ahead to measure my foam board before I cut it out. If you are new to this channel guys, go ahead and join my family by hitting that subscribe button, and also guys, turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on any uploads that I do. To my returning subscribers, I love and appreciate you all very much, and keep watching guys, and you will see how I go ahead and created this beautiful box. I enjoyed doing this and it looks beautiful in my space. It's something that you can try as well, so keep watching guys. I am using my knife to cut out my square that I'll be using to create my box. I'm also going to go ahead and cut out the pieces that I will need to create this box. As you can see here, I've got 2 large square pieces and 4 pieces to go around the sides of the box. To start assembling my box, I'm going to use my hot glue. I am using this gold contact paper to cover my box all the way around. After I was finished creating my box, I didn't like the way how it looked on the inside. It looked a bit unfinished, so I went ahead and used some white scraps of leather material that I had left over from another project, and I glued that on the inside of the box to give it a more finished look. Now to create the top part of my game, I am going to be removing those felt pieces from the back of my mirrors. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove those sticky bits from the back of my mirrors and start assembling. I went ahead and spray painted the foam board silver. So now I'm just going to use my E6000 glue along with my hot glue and attach my mirrored pieces. now I am adding 2 strips of bling wrap all the way around to cover the foam board. After I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and add my gems. As I said earlier guys, I was using my curtain tie backs. So now to create my knots and crosses, I am going to go ahead and cut the length that I want to create my knots, my circles, and hot glue it together. It's very simple. After I've hot glued it together, I am just going to use some strings from the same curtain tie backs to wrap it around that area that I hot glued to give it a more uniformed look, so you won't see the area where I glue it together. That was a mouthful, but yes, that's exactly what I did, and it turned out really lovely. And same thing I did for the X's. I just cut 2 pieces and hot glued it together. You could make your play pieces out of whatever items you have. You could also cut them out of the foam board as well, but I had this and I thought it would work really lovely, and it did. I have cleaned off all the glue pieces, and here is my beautiful knots and crosses, my tic-tac-toe. Guys, I'm loving it. I think it turned out so beautifully. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this tutorial might make you want to try it. I love it. I think it's beautiful as a decorative piece, as well as we plays it as a family as well. So I enjoyed making this and I enjoyed sharing it with you guys. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And also guys, share it with someone. You never know who might want to try it. So thank you all very much for watching, and have a lovely day guys, and be blessed. I'll see you guys on the next video.